community, and I'm gonna get into why that's part of my focus, right? Everybody talks about guaranteeing the satisfaction. And whether or not you're a brick and mortar business, a restaurant, or real estate, or you have an online business or a mobile business like yourself, right? Whatever it is, customer service, right, is a key component of your business, right? But everybody talks about it, and everybody, and that's why I say blah blah blah. Everybody gives lip service. Oh, the customer's always right, you know that thing, right? But there's got to be something more to just talking about it, and there has to be, an action. And what I find is, especially in our community, because I'm sure I'm not the only one, we all want ours and the businesses in our communities to succeed. And that customer service is a key component of that. We were talking before about some businesses that we all know that recently went out of business, right? And I got a chance to observe them, and part of the reason why is because, like I said before, if you're getting customers coming in, a lot of all your other problems that you might have in business, you could fix them with a little bit more, with better cash flow, right? So we want to move from the lip service towards building better communities through customer service. Communities in which our businesses operate, they suffer because of consistently poor customer service. And when customers don't come back one time, don't come back over time, that's a business that's not going to be around for too long.